Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be playing... Bro, chill. I don't know if you guys can see this, but... Stop! But... it keeps doing some goofy ass stuff. So we're gonna be doing Build-A-Boat. Zoom Zeem. This is a brand new challenge I just made up like 10 seconds ago. Basically, get to the end as fast as possible. Uh-oh. Okay, good, I slowed down. Whoa. Check this place out. What is it with this place? Ah! Okay. That was really bad. I didn't even make it to the end. I just did that. That was not good. In case you didn't know. That was really bad. Okay. Now we have two of them. And
What is the background?
We're basically gonna be using the zoom glitch this whole video. So that's my brother's first vid.
No.
Oh, his latest vid. You should go check out his channel at glitchboy67. Stop it! You stupid game. There. Wow, you did it right.
It added the sound.
It did? Huh. He kind of muted it. It added the sound. Huh? He legitimately tried to make it not add the sound.
So mine are made for kids, so you can't even. Well, they can be on YouTube Kids too. So.
Yeah, you can also check him out on YouTube Kids because he uploads them as made for kids.
I got flung by a harpoon. Lol.
Yeah, that's his latest video. I got flung by a harpoon, lol.
Videos too. People make like 7 hours. I think that.
Oh, we made it to the end. That equals victory.
Is this even Android?
We're gonna make it, bros. Broskies, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. This is victory. I'll just create it again. Yes! What? Huh?
Lord, what?
I think that's a new record. So, see you guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Bye!